So DocuSign allow you to change your format settings. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change format settings for time zone, your name, your address, and even for your initial. So how do you change format settings? Go ahead and click on your account on the upper right and click on manage profile. And from here, go ahead and click on language and region on the left side. Go ahead and click update for regional settings, and it's going to allow you to change some settings for formatting. So as you can see, you have format settings for date and time. You can change it for name as well, so you can say surname last name or surname first name rather. Then you can change the initial one as well. You can change that. You can even change it for address as well. Once you're satisfied, click and save, and that's it. At any point in time you want to change this again, click and update under the language and regional section, and here you have the format setting. You can always go back and change this to the one you desire and save them. And that's it, guys.